Hi everyone, welcome back. Koala AI has launched their biggest sale of the year, the Black Friday sale. And you can get up to 55% off. Let me show you exactly how. This is the Koala AI official pricing page, where the Black Friday sale is currently live with 40% off on yearly professional plan. The annual professional plan includes everything: deep research, automatic internal linking with KoalaLinks, KoalaMagnets. KoalaMagnets is a unique feature that instantly turns your articles into PDFs, guides, or checklists. Very useful for capturing leads. It's a game changer for growing your audience. Premium AI image models, custom image styles, and higher token limits inside KoalaChat. When you click Buy Plan, you'll see the discounted annual price, which comes to $348 per year after the Black Friday reduction. Here you will see an option to enter Add Promo Code. Here you enter my code, TechFin, and click Apply, and the price instantly drops from $348 to $295. That's an extra 15% discount, saving you another $52. So your final price for the professional plan, with all features included, becomes $295 for the full year, making a total of 55% off. That comes to just under $25 per month for all premium features, while most other AI writers cost around $40 every month. So grab this offer before it's gone. The link and the TechFin coupon code are in the description. Subscribe for more offers, promo codes, and discounts to save money.